Meghalaya CRDD recruitment Arjarabsan. The Community and Rural Development Department Government of Meghalaya invites online application for the post of Junior Rural Development Officer or GRDO. The last date for submission of the application is 21st of February 2025. Nagaliang jonga Community of Rural Development Department ka khot online application nagabenta ka post jongki Junior Rural Development Officer lane JRDO mat class date bepin submit ya kiti ki application kan dei hadu ka arphoi tarik u February lane benai ba arjar arsan mat kini gidi ki post name Junior Rural Development Officer lane JRDO. Total number of posts kadon hadu live santali unreserved santali khasi hadu khat santali ki post Garo khat sautali ki post OST or SC kadon ko ki post age limit kadi hadu live hours name as on the last date of submission of the application form. Candidates belonging to scheduled tribes and scheduled castes enjoy a further relaxation of 5 years over the upper age relaxation of 32 years. Kata ka bumut, nalor ketika life hours nem, kata ka bapila ban apply, di sasan nem kandon ka relaxation lani ka jing penjelan kata hadu life punyo nem hidang la ban apply. Namta ketika post jong ki Junior Rural Development Officer. But ka salary hangne kandika pay level 14. As of the pay metric, kata supply hajar nyospa hadu kandai punyo hajar shispa. That is 43,700 to 97,100 per month. But ginu ki candidates ki bakwa ban apply na kabantai kiti ki post kila ban apply lengba ka Meghalaya Community and Rural Development Department Recruitment Portal dan website kita https megrecruitment.nic.in from 24 of January 2025 to 21st of February 2025. Kata kabumut kelas sedang nadu arp sau terik benai banukong hadu arpoi terik benai baar ahajar harsan. Tilada don kinu ki candidates ki bakwa apply subhaban apply no ya kite ki post. For candidate applying for the first time through online mode, a one-time registration process is required to enable them to apply against the advertised post. Tinggal juong ba, nada bidang dei ki batmai ki ba mood ban apply nang ta ki post paper pihak ban register shoyalade hapo ka megrecruitment.nic.in. Tenang ta ki post ban sya select lane ka selection procedure kandon kumni kandon ka prelims lane screening examination kata candidates who meet the qualification and criteria will be screened through a multiple choice based exam on topic community and rural development. Kata kemud takaba ki screen ki page bha ya ki marks ki ba pio ha kate ka examination. But kabar kan ka main examination shortlisted candidate based on the mark obtained prelims and screening examination will undergo a main examination consisting of a rate comprising the following topics. Kata main exam kindon kini ki exam ha kabay dapat kini ki topics. Kata technical knowledge of concept and program across community and rural development, health, social welfare, and education, and others. Kata kabadai shispa mak, but ka problem solving scenarios shispa mak. Kini ki artili ki subjects lani ki topics pihak bantu ha kabadai bat ka main exams. Dihadin bapila pas ya ka main exam kan don rusa ka personal interview. Only those candidates who are declared to have passed the prelim screening test and main written examination shall be eligible to appear for the personal interview. But nagamenta ka application fee lane examination fee pade kan de rupees 460 lane sauspan rupau tengka nagamenta ka application fee. Hendai nagamenta jongki SC lane ST scheduled tribes who are permanent resident of the state of Meghalaya kan de be marshitiang kata kabumut arspa laipau tengka nagamenta jongi ki scheduled tribes lane ki candidates ki bade na po ka state Meghalaya. but bantip banyak nak bantai kita ki post lane ki total number of post name but kui qualification rukum ju la ban check ya ka notification lung ba ka website lane ka link ka bangan sabu apo ka description box kata da ka ba phio lung ba ka Meghalaya CRDD recruitment 2025 junior rural development official notification but shushuru nakabanta jonga qualification pade ka qualification ka ba phila ban apply na bata kiti ki post jonga junior rural development officer GRDO kende ya gitu ki candidates ki bla pandep ya ka postgraduate degree in agriculture horticulture and veterinary fisheries RDAP rural development home science or subject related to livelihood improvement in rural areas or postgraduate diploma in rural development, candidates should obtain at least 5% of marks. Di nakata-kadaw, ginu ki candidates kin sobha ban pass ya gite ki qualification telada phila rep ban pass ya gini ki qualification phila ban apply nakabanta gite ki life santali ki post ki badai jong ki junior rural development officer lane GRDO Poka State Meghalaya. Tangkam tahi ak bayade bat kani ka notification re nong biang fi sai sin lada phim tip kumno ban apply nam ta ki te ki post so ha ban bu ya ki comments ki jong phi ban ngan sayara ban hikaya phi kumno ba phin le lane kumno phin apply tanglong ba ka mobile phone ya ki te ki post ki balai hapo ka state Meghalaya Desai sin pat lada pidang thamai ha ka video bat channel ka jonga wanum plate ba phin ya share like bat kamtame ban ya subscribe na ka banta kiwi pada ki notification lane ki upcoming notification hakabede bat ki employment news lane ki khubor LAITKAM. Kublai shibun, stay safe, God bless you.